Welcome back for another video of Life Skills from Mr. K. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far on brushing the floor and washing the dishes. This week we're going to be working on wiping the kitchen surfaces clean. And you might notice that my surfaces are clear when we get started, and that's because I've already washed, dried and put away the dishes. And if you haven't done that yet, I'd advise watching the previous video because you can learn how to do it there. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, I just want to show you the surfaces that we're going to be cleaning. So all you need to clean the surfaces is a cloth and some surface cleaner. Don't worry if it's a surface cleaner or kitchen cleaner, it does the same job. Okay, so what you need to do now is soak your cloth under nice warm water. Make sure you get it really wet. Then you need to wring it out as tight as you can so it doesn't leak anywhere, because you don't want to make puddles as you carry your cloth around. So all you need is a damp cloth. So what we're going to start off with is by spraying the surfaces. You need to make sure you get everywhere that you're planning to clean. Then you can put the spray down and pick up your cloth. We're going to start off from one side. I'm going to bring our way in, making sure we go away from the edges into the middle, like so, and again. And if you see any really sticky parts, what you need to make sure you do is get back in there and give them a good scrub. Okay, a quick wipe over the top isn't good enough. And then you check again, looking good. Okay, so what's really important to do now is to clear the surface. So the kitchen roll has to go. We're going to take the kettle as well, but make sure you turn it off at the wall before you unplug it. Move that to the side, and now we need to go back and get the tea, coffee and sugar, move them out of the way. Once you've done that, the surface is clear, so you can get anything that would normally be stuck behind there. So we're going to spray the area, make sure we get every bit, put the spray down, get the cloth out. I want you to start with the splashback or anything that you have behind, just to make sure everything's clean. And then you need to work your way away from the edges, into the middle, into a pile, and then we're going to wipe it into our hand. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to clear the area of anything that will get in the way. So we're going to move the bread bin out the way. Then we're going to move the toaster, making sure we turn it off at the wall first and wipe any crumbs off the top. We're going to move that to the side. And then we're going to carry on wiping the surfaces, including the splashback. Okay, so you might notice that your cloth has got really grotty by now. So what you want to make sure is you give it a quick rinse again, get rid of any of the dirt off it, really scrub it because you don't want to smudge that everywhere. And then once you've done, make sure you wring it out nice and tight so you can get onto your next surface. Okay, onto the dining room table. I have to move my wife's weird centerpiece out of the way. Okay, and then you need to have a look at any big bits of food left on the dining room table, any bits of rubbish, pick that up because that'll just get in the way of the cloth. Then you need to have a think about what else might get in the way. So we're going to walk around the table and we're going to pull out any bits of furniture that might get in the way. You don't want to spray it with your kitchen cleaner or wipe it with your cloth, so make sure everything's out the way. And then we're going to go around and spray the whole table, make sure you get every bit, and we're going to wipe it around. Remember, if you get to any sticky bits, you need to give it a bit of a harder scrub. Okay, Mr. K's top tip of the day. What I want you to do is get eye level with the table so you can see if there's any bits that you've left. As you can see, I must have missed a few bits, so you need to wipe them into your hand, just like so, so that once you're finished, you can see that you've done a good job and your washing surface is complete. So now I need to put everything back on the table, especially the centrepiece, so I don't feel the wrath of my wife. And then I need to go around and push in all the chairs so we're all finished. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more. If you're looking for any activities to go with it, please look in the description below for a link to my blog. There'll be plenty of worksheets and activities there. Thank you very much.